Hey guys, this is just a quick video to help you stay organized on Google. This is a great skill for when you're an adult, but it's also perfect right now while you're a high school student because you have 7 classes each year, maybe more, and you'll be, in high school for 4 years. So your Google Drive can get pretty chaotic. So staying organized is really important. I'll read right from here. You see, if you have no system of organization, all the documents you create for your classes year after year get mixed together, and it's hard to find what you're looking for when searching through your drive. And so I have some strategies here that can help you to keep your Google organized, and I'd like you to follow something like this. You don't have to be exactly like I suggest, or you don't have to do it exactly like I suggest, but I do want you to be organized, and I'm going to have you take a screenshot or like a screen snipping of your Google Drive to show me that. So in your Google Drive, you're going to create a folder for each of your classes. For me, at least, I want to see that happen. For my classes. So what I'd like to see happen is you could make a folder called 2020-21 Humanities English if it's for humanities, or it could be 2020-21 English or American Literature, depending on what I'm teaching you. So make a folder that shows the class and it also indicates the year. And then anytime you're doing work for my class, save files in that class's folder. You should do the same thing for math and social studies and all of your other classes. It'll just keep things nice and organized. Especially because on Canvas, you're going to submit a lot of your work basically through the Google extension on Canvas. Oftentimes, you'll upload work you've done on Google. This will make it so much easier to find. And then the second strategy I have here is when you're naming files in my class, I ask that you name your files with your last name and then some keyword afterwards so that you're always finding a file and it says your last name. For example, it says Smith, and then what that file is. So we're going to make journals this year. We'll do them digitally. They'll be online. And you'll make throughout the year 4 total different documents because we'll complete journal entries each quarter. So one doc will be your first quarter journals. If you were setting that up, you could label it Smith first quarter journals. Or if you're writing a Lord of the Flies essay, it could be Smith Lord of the Flies essay. Not Smith English paper thing, or way too often kids will write just like English paper. That's very vague. You'll write more than one paper for English class, so that can be really helpful. I'll show you really quickly what this looks like in Google Drive. So when you go to Google, you go to your Drive, you're going to hit New. You'll make a new folder, title it 2020-21, and let's say American Lit, if it's your American Lit class. You create it, and then within that folder, you'll create your documents. You could even create folders within it. So for example, I might make a folder that is strictly where I put all the journals. Maybe I'll make a folder where I put essays. Anything related to that, goes there. And now in this journal folder, I'm going to make a new document. Let's, all right, Smith, pretending that's my last name still, and we'll call it first quarter journal. And now this could be the document that I submit for class for journal entries. Do this, it will help you. It's a great executive functioning skill set, and it's something you can take with you anywhere in your life.